Oh my God, guys, look at this water. Getting high and rushing really fast. This is only about 3 feet below where I'm standing right now, over Paradise Creek in Pullman. And look at this. Definitely running high. And from here, going all the way over here. This is where it slows down a little bit. The water's a little bit higher here. You'll see it in a second. Right there. And I'm just right here. So we'll have to watch this and see how much more rain we get, see what happens. Whole thing is swiftly flown. Very quickly. Not something you want to get caught up in, that's for sure. This creek goes right under this hotel here. So you can see the 3 feet that I got from where I'm standing to where the water is. That's all we got, 3 feet of leverage. All right, there we go.